Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we will teach you how to make this delicious mango and miel treat. Don't go anywhere because we're about to show you how. Recipe: you will need 2 big mangoes, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 3 cinnamon sticks, and panela brown sugar. We're gonna start off by peeling both of our mangoes. Try to get mangoes that are still a little green because you're going to cook these. You don't want them to dissolve while you're cooking them. These mangoes look so delicious, I just want to take a bite. Okay, mango number 1 is done. Now for the next one. This recipe will work with any type of mangoes as long as they're not too ripe. Now that we have both mangoes peeled, go ahead and grab a bowl and put them inside. You're going to cover them up with water all the way. Should I cover it? Now you're going to add 2 spoons of baking powder. There's 1. And 2 spoons of baking powder. Mix it in until the baking powder dissolves. And you're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Alright, after 30 minutes, you're gonna wash them about 3 times to get all that baking powder out. Now you're going to cut incisions into the mango. This is so that the sugar goes inside of the mango. And as always, be careful because you don't want to cut yourself. Now you're gonna add your mangoes into a pot.
You're gonna add the water. You go by...
Add in 1 cup of water. Now we're gonna get our brown sugar ready.
Go.
I'm just gonna open it and take it out. This is wrapped up like a tamal. I feel like I'm unwrapping a present here. This is also known as piloncillo. And I'm only gonna use half of this. So we just gotta cut this into little pieces. Just be careful because this is really hard. I'm just gonna start off cutting it here on the edge. You know what? I'm just gonna get my bigger knife, my chopper. Chop, chop, chop. It's time to chop it up. This one is so much faster. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more of sugar because I like mine sweet.
But that's what it is. Chop it, just give it a whack. Yeah. Alright.
And after you're done, this is how it should look. We're going to set our mangoes to cook on medium low and half a cup of water. And add 1.5 sticks of the panela brown sugar or piloncillo. You're gonna mix it, trying to dissolve most of the brown sugar. And now for the last ingredient, 3 cinnamon sticks. Make sure to cover the pot and let it cook for 30 minutes. Don't forget to stir it at least once within the 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, uncover, turn the heat down to low, stir, and let it cook for an additional 40 minutes to 30 minutes. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so delicious. I cannot wait to try it. Yummy! And look at this, you guys. They look so amazing. They are ready. It's time to serve. One and two with the sugar on top. It's time to try it out, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get this piece right here and yep, I love this. It's amazing. Guys have to try this, especially if you like mangoes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you guys on the next one.